In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut an object in Blender step by step. Select the object that you want to cut. And for this example, we will be using a simple cube, but this method works for any mesh. And once your object is selected, just press Tab key on your keyboard to go to edit mode. This allows you to directly edit the geometry of your object. Now, activate the knife tool by pressing K key on your keyboard. When you press the K key on the keyboard, your cursor will change, and as you can see now, it has been changed into a small knife, and it will allow you to start drawing cuts across your object. Before you start cutting, press the letter C on your keyboard. This is important because without this, the knife tool will only cut the visible faces. With cut through enabled, it will slice through the entire object, including the back faces. And when you press C, you will see the C will be highlighted at the bottom, so you know that cut through is enabled. Now you can begin cutting your cut. So I'll just start by cutting here. So I'll just click once like so, and you can see now our cut has been started. You can then move your mouse and click again to create points along the path like so. So I'm just gonna start adding my points. Once that you have finished drawing, just hit enter to confirm the cut. Now your object has been divided along the line that you created. At this point, the mesh is still one object, but now it has geometry where the cut was made. Next, switch to the face select mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, or you can just go to the top left and choose the face select mode from here. This allows you to select entire faces instead of vertex or edges. Now select the face that you want to separate. For example, if you cut the cube in half like mine, you can select all the face on the top part. So I'll just start selecting. I'll just press shift on my keyboard and leave the shift and move around, and again press shift on my keyboard and then select it and do the same. Press shift, select, and press shift select and select all the faces at the top part like so. Take your time here and make sure you only select the faces that you actually want to separate. Now, once all the desired faces are selected, just press T on your keyboard and this opens the separate menu. From the menu, just choose selection, and this will separate the selected face in a completely new object. Now press tab key again to return into object mode, and you will notice that your object is now split into two separate parts. And now when I go to the left hand side and choose to move, and when I select my sliced part, I'll just move it, and you can see we can successfully now move the selected part like so. And that's it. That's how you cut an object in Blender using knife tool. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.